friends, welcome to another episode of Investing Right. See, we invest in stock market in various products, right? Some of us invest directly into stocks. Some of us do it through mutual funds. Some may even go for the wealthier PMS, portfolio management services. Of course, many of us cannot afford that because the minimum investment for a PMS is 50 lakhs to 1 crore. But PMS has certain advantages. That's why people go for PMS and be there. And in mutual funds, the minimum investment is around 500 to 1000 rupees. Whereas in the case of a PMS, it goes to around 50 lakh to 1 crore. And there is a gap between these two where SEBI wanted to fill. You might be wondering why you need a specialized another product over there. Because you can invest that 10 or 20 lakh if you are having, you can invest in mutual funds more of them, no? No, there is a difference. Mutual funds are generally long-only funds. Mutual funds makes money or they make profit for the investors when the market goes up. And whenever the market goes down, there is correction in market, the NAV goes down and the investors run up into losses. That is because even if they know that market is going to go down, even if the fund manager is aware that market is going down, there is little he can do about it. He can sell some of the stocks and be on the sidelines. However, he cannot short the market. That is not allowed in the mutual fund. So SEBI has restricted the mutual fund product in such a way that only people makes money when the market goes up. And we know that at least in recent times there are a lot of fluctuations in the market, lot of volatility in the market due to many things that the market corrects and the investors in mutual funds loses money. So that is why such a product where the minimum investment is 10 lakhs is introduced. That is SIF, Specialized Investment Fund. And the good thing is that first of its kind has been introduced by Quant AMC and it is open for NFO these days. It is open till October 1st. If you are thinking, oh God, October 1st, that is so near, I don't have money by that time. I'll be having money only after a month. Don't worry, I'll explain the reasons why you can still invest in it. So, this product has best of both worlds. The minimal investment is only 10 lakh, at least when compared to an PMS, very nominal. And this product has advantage like a mutual fund. You can either buy this product in the NFO or wait for it to be get listed in the market. Market by October 8th, it will be available for further sales. So you can buy and sell after that. The NAV is starting as 10. It may go up or down by 1 or 2% by that time. Maybe 1 or 2 months down the line, the NAV might be 2-3% up or down. But at that time also you can go and buy that. Also, unlike PMS, you can start a SIP in this. But hold on. You cannot just start a SIP without starting a lump sum investment with the company. You should first start with a 10 lakh investment with the company. Then you can start a SIP to implement that. You can invest in this in a much easier manner. The most of the positive things and advantages you have in investing in a mutual fund is there in this product also. The cutoff time, regular cutoff time and all is applicable here and you can keep on buy or sell in this. Any point of time you can come out of this also. But if you come out within 15 days of investing, then there is a strict charge of 1%. You know that for the scheme there is an exit charge of 1%. That is there, but that is for 1 year. But for here, only for 15 days they are compelling you to be invested. That too is not required. You can come out, but you need to pay the excess charges of 1% of the amount invested. And coming to the type of stocks where they will be investing. The fund manager has the liberty to invest in any type of stocks or any market cap without any minimum value restricted to it. He can have large caps, small caps, mid caps invested. This acts more like a flexi cap fund. And he can also short it. If he knows that a certain stock is going to go down, then sell that stock beforehand and take advantage of that. And whenever the market goes down, he can buy that back again and by participate in the short selling and also in the derivatives, options and futures. So this kind of things were not there in mutual funds. And in PMS, SIP was not there, and the fund price was so high for someone to invest. That's also taken care over here. So this is a very good instrument according to me. And this has come at the most opportune time. When the market is having so much volatility, so much reasons for it to go down, geopolitical tensions, Trump tariffs and all those things, that is taken care. That now you can take it as an advantage. Having said that, doesn't mean that the NAV will not ever go down in these funds. NAV can go down. What I am trying to say is that NAV can keep on going up even there is a rise or fall in markets. If the fund manager is smart enough to know that the volatility is going to set in, the market is going to crash, he can take advantage and he can make the NAV up in a short period of time. So that doesn't mean that this fund, whatever the quant SIF is going to have a NAV only one way up. There can be corrections. We need to see in the coming months how this product, the first of its kind in India, how it is performing. This product is very common in Western world. Regarding the expense ratio is also going to be very normal. I heard that it is going to be around 0.75, and in future, if they are going to increase it by leaps and bounds, we can always come out of it, right? You can always opt for the other funds. In fact, Edelweiss is coming up with the SIF very soon. In whichever way you look at it, there is profits to be made. That's what I think. Especially this is coming from Quant Mutual Fund under the leadership of Mr. Sanjeev Tandon, who has been very known for his expertise. Of course, this fund will be equity focused, dynamic allocation will be there, and the fund manager has the full discretion to invest wherever he wants to and in any market cap, and also even short the market. What happens to the fund? There can be mistakes also, human errors can occur in this case, right? So this fund now available for buying in NFO. It will be available till October 1st. The platforms like Zerodha, right now it's not supporting for buying in the NFO. Maybe from October 8, it might be available in Zerodha also to buy, and you will be able to sell that in that, and you can buy it back. Selling will be like mutual funds only. So in a way, even the derivative market is getting induced to the normal investors. There is no way we could participate in a derivative product, right? And the taxation. Taxation is same like a equity mutual fund. It's a diversified equity mutual funds, how it is taxed. Like more than 1 year, it is 12.5% of the profits made, and below 1 year, it is 20%. So hold on to the fund for more than 1 year, because whether the market goes down or goes up, you are making money. Your fund manager, if he is smart enough, he will make money. I am only telling that there is an opportunity for the fund manager to make money. We need to wait and see like what is happening, whether he is smart enough to make money in this volatile market. I hope you understood this product well. I hope this product is going to be much more popular among investors than even mutual funds in the coming years. Thanks for watching.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സാമ്പത്തിക ഭദ്രത കൈവരിക്കണോ? മ്യൂച്വൽ ഫണ്ട്, ETF, ലോങ് ടേം വാല്യൂ സ്റ്റോക്സ് എന്നിവയിലെ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് വഴി വളരെ റിസ്ക് കുറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ഡൈവേഴ്സിഫൈഡ് പോർട്ട്ഫോളിയോ രൂപപ്പെടുത്തി നിങ്ങളുടെ എംപ്ലോയ്മെന്റ് ലൈഫ് ഒരു 5-10 വർഷം വരെ വെട്ടിച്ചുരുക്കി എന്നെപ്പോലെ നേരത്തെ റിട്ടയർ ചെയ്യണോ? എങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും. ഇതെന്റെ ഉറപ്പ്. പുതിയതായി നിക്ഷേപത്തിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വരുന്നവരും വർഷങ്ങളായി നിക്ഷേപം നടത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നവർക്കും ഒരുപോലെ ഉപകാരപ്പെടുന്നതാണിത്. പേഴ്സണൽ ഫിനാൻസിന്റെ വിവിധ മേഖലകൾ കാര്യകാരണ സഹിതം ഇൻവെസ്റ്റിംഗ് റൈറ്റ് അപഗ്രഥിക്കുന്നു. ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുതേ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സുമായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെയും അവരുടെയും സാമ്പത്തിക ഭദ്രതയിലേക്കുള്ള യാത്രയുടെ ആദ്യ ചുവട് ഇവിടെ നിന്നാകട്ടെ. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.